Scene 1, Apple, take 2.
Okay, we're gonna do a sunset flight on the CX-33. I really like the lights on this thing. They're really bright. Plus they're blue in the front. Now, this thing appears to have an automatic, hang on, I'm trying to trim it. Seems to have a automatic altitude hold on it. So here, check this out. I'm gonna try to hit it. Whoa, maybe that's not such a good idea. But I really like this thing at night though. I mean, the darker it gets, the brighter the lights get on this thing. It's really nice. Yeah. All right, let's try to get some altitude. Now it's holding that on its own. And for all you beginners out here, that's a good thing. Because you don't really have to like hit any extra buttons or anything like that. It just, you give it a height. We're gonna give it a little higher. You give it a height, and that's it. She stays there for the most part. All right. Let's check out the, let's see how well the camera does at sunset. Finally getting around to the weather where we can start flying at the park, and I am more than glad about that. We've had a very long winter here in Ohio. Let's take it up a little higher. I keep bringing it down. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit now because I'm not too sure about those branches on those trees. I mean, this thing flies really nice too. I really like this. It's very unique. The only thing I don't like about it, actually there's two things I don't like about it. I don't like the automatic altitude hold on it. That's one thing I don't like about it. And I don't like that there's no color choices. It only comes in white. And I think something like this, since it's so unique, would look really nice in other colors. Whoa, gotta watch out for them branches. I mean, even the one thing that I really like, even the camera, when you cut the camera on, because like, let's go up underneath it now. You see how that's green? Let's cut the camera on. See that? It's just like one button, and you can see it from a good distance, so you know whether or not your camera is on, and that's really cool. Whether or not you forgot the SD card, well, that's a different story. Whoa, let's do a flyby. Hey, you know what? My battery's dying. What? We didn't get a long flight on there. Oh well. That sucks. I think this is the only battery I have for this thing, so it could be a case where I probably just wore the battery out. All right. Well, thank you for joining me on this sunset flight of the CX-33. I don't know, what do you call this thing? It's not really a tricopter because it has like 6 rotors on it or whatever. But hey, it's a really cool bird. Okay. Thanks for watching.
Ring, 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 ring. Music is my life.